Hi guys, Mechanic Guru for another video. This time we're working on a Cadillac. It's a CT5. It's a 2023 model. So you want to get on the passenger side. You want to make some room with the seat. I'm just gonna put some light. Okay, so there you go. I'm gonna have two clips on the side. You can see in the back your cabin air filter, so you're gonna need to remove that little rope. So finally I just took some pliers because with my finger it was too annoying. So as you can see, I just remove it. So you just want to push on each side to clear the little tab. You want to do it both at the same time. There's one, the second one. So there you go. You're gonna have this laying if you want to remove everything, so you can have it like that. You want to squeeze this tab. The tab just get in here and then you flip it. So here's your cabin air filter for Cadillac CT5 2023. I guess there's some other model. In my case, it will need replacement because it's dirty. People are breeding this. So I'm gonna replace it, but if you're gonna replace it, just put a new one, put this back, clip it until you hear the click. Don't forget your little rope on the side. You pull it and you want to hold it on the side, maybe with my pliers. Push it back, then you want to put your rope back. There you go. Oh, sorry, I was not at a good place, but there you go. You have your pin and it's back at normal. So it's pretty simple. I hope it helped you guys. So please put a like and subscribe. Bye.